I first teach Sindhu, then Sindhu already India big star, yeah, and big Olympic stars. So actually, I got a little precious, but I tried. It's my career also never get the Olympic medal. My players, and so I said myself, okay, I also try. I can make Sindhu next time Olympic gold medal, but we failed. But I think bronze medal also very big, uh,
Big medal.
big medals. Yes, so I'm really happy. I thank you for Sindhu. Good. After semifinal, Sindhu also a little bit disappoint me also. But I tell Sindhu, we have to play one more match. So we have to next one more match, and we try the good result. So I believe her. Yeah, but Sindhu did it. So I thank you for Sindhu very much. Yeah, thank you.
Well, I know him since a very long time when he was training in the Korean with the Korean team. But yeah, when he came to India after a year or so, I started training with him. And yeah, initially we were just like it took us some time to actually know about each other, about the game, about the conditions and stuff. But I think we always had a dream, to get that Olympic medal. So yeah, I think that dream has come true, and I think yeah, we worked really hard, and he especially has worked really hard. I think because I mean I'm sure like in this pandemic, a lot of people have suffered, and especially he couldn't go home. He just met his family only for 13 days. So I think the efforts that he put in, the hard work that he put in towards me, I think that's really great. And I think it's all his effort and his hard work. And we finally got that medal back to the country, and I'm really very happy about that.
Me little nervous.
Yeah, but I think he never showed his nervous because as a coach, he needs to motivate the players, support the player that yes, you can do it. So yeah, that was the support that he was giving me. Yeah, we had eye to eye, that contact because we know because we practice together. So we practiced together for a very long time. So we know okay what he's saying, what needs to be done, or what needs to be changed. So yeah, that's what we've been practicing also. So I'm sure even that eye contacts also okay. I know what to play next. So yeah, that is how it was.
Sometimes I shouting Sindhu after rally. Sindhu, please don't do that. I told you why you did it.
Well, during the match, I mean, initially after the semis was over, I was really sad. I mean, I was actually in tears. I mean, everybody was in tears. But I think, my coach and my physio, I mean, they said, it's not over yet. You have another chance. You've got another chance. Well, there were a lot of mixed emotions, whether I need to be happy that I got another chance or I had to be sad because I lost in the semifinals. But I think, of course, Park just told me one thing I still remember where he said, there is a lot of difference between a bronze and the fourth position. I think that really hit me. And I just thought that, yes, I need to get that medal. Because getting a medal, for the country at the Olympics is definitely a big thing. And yeah, I just went with the mindset that I need to give my best and play my 100%. So yeah, it was all in that state of mind.
I think many years teaches national team players, high rankers, Sindhu and other people, Korean players also same. Some players, I think Sindhu also she get very important moment to get point. Then players pressures very high. Then next shot, next rally is very easy mistakes to do it. So I always talk to Sindhu. A very important moment, please. After rally, calm down, please.
Aram se.
Aram se. Yeah, I know aram se means. Sindhu, please, Aram say you have to more. Not yet finished rally and not yet finished match. Please, Aram say. So, but yeah, Sindhu, very detailed, well done. So we get the good results. Yeah, thank you.
We decided that it was not over, even though I was leading, because you never know, anything can happen. So each and every point was important, and yeah, after that point was over, I was blank. I don't know, my coach was literally like in tears, and he, of course, it's a big moment, and yeah. And of course, I went near him, I hugged him, and I said thank you, because it was his effort also. So yeah, that moment after that point was over, I was literally like blank, didn't know what to do. And then after 5-6 seconds, I shouted. So yeah, I think all emotions like came together at once. Yeah, well, this whole journey of 5 years was a lot of ups and downs where, after Rio, I mean, a lot has changed in my game, experience-wise. And yeah, I think, I've lost few matches, I won few matches, I won the World Championships. Yeah, a lot of things happened. So I think all together, I've learned a lot more. And I think it all comes with the experience where, in my game-wise, I've improved. And also, due to this pandemic, I mean, a lot of lives, where a lot of people have been affected with COVID, and a lot of things have been happening. But I think in this pandemic, a lot of tournaments also have been getting cancelled. But I think for me, I've utilized it in a very good way, where we actually got to learn new skill and new technique. And yeah, Mr. Park was always with me, training me every single day, and we've been learning new stroke and technique. So I think it has really helped me altogether. And yeah, as I mentioned earlier, playing in Gachibowli Stadium is always an advantage, because when we play an international tournament, it is almost like an international standard courts, and there is air conditioning which is needed. So yeah, I think I feel that is the best decision that we have taken. And we've also been getting players from Suchitra Academy, and so that we get used to different players every single day. And yeah, I mean, I think, and also the support that BAI has been giving, sports authorities has been giving, has been really good. Because I think whenever needed, whatever needed, they've always been there. And of course, Ajay sir, always keeps asking me, kuch bhi chahiye to, humko bol do karke. So, I mean, every single thing has been perfectly fine. So we didn't have, or we didn't want it anything separately. So सब कुछ अच्छा चल रहा था, और finally we got that medal back. So the journey was good. I mean, we learn a lot more, we do mistakes, and we come back much more stronger. So that's how life is. There is still time. Just want to be in the moment, just cherish the moment and enjoy the moment right now. And yeah, definitely I will play Paris. I just want to definitely give my best. I will give my best and play my 100%. Well, I will dedicate it to my fans, my family members, because definitely I missed all of them here because of this pandemic. A lot of people couldn't come, no spectators, no fans. So I'm sure, virtually everybody have been, showing their love and, blessing me and supporting me. So I would like to dedicate it to, all of them.